In case you encounter the error code CE-108255-1 while playing Fallout 4 on your PS5, there are several advanced solutions you can try to fix it. One option is to rebuild your PS5's database. This process can sometimes resolve corrupted data issues that lead to crashes. It's worth noting that this won't delete any of your saved games or data. To rebuild the database, turn off your PS5 completely, hold down the power button until you hear 2 beeps, connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable, enter safe mode, and select the option to rebuild the database. Another solution is to initialize your PS5 and reinstall the system software. This is a more drastic step and will wipe your PS5, so ensure you back up your saved games and data beforehand. You can do this through the system settings by choosing the option to reset your console and selecting the full reset option. If the issue persists, you can also check for corrupted game data by deleting and reinstalling Fallout 4. Additionally, consider inspecting the health of your PS5's hard drive, as a failing hard drive could be causing the error. Running a diagnostic test through the PS5 settings can help identify any issues with the hard drive. Finally, if the error occurs during specific areas or actions in the game, you can try adjusting the graphics settings such as resolution or frame rate. Lowering these settings might improve stability and reduce the likelihood of encountering the error.